Hello guys, this is Michael from Crypto Darkness. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am really happy when I saw these amazing comments on the past videos. But in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing project. All what you have to do is follow the video from the beginning to the end and understand all about the project. But this is not a financial advertise. You have to do your own search about this project. So I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. I will put all the links under this video's description. So let's get started after this intro. Hello guys, nice to meet you again. So I am happy to see you again. This is Crypto Darkness. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So in this video I am going to introduce you an amazing project, Tyroth Nest community. So Tyroth is a community dynamic coin built on the Solana blockchain, combining the mythical power of dragon with the vibrant energy of this. So you can buy this token. I will show you how you can buy it from now. The Twitter, Telegram and others wallet is here on Solana blockchain. So the background and the motivation is here. You can read also the white paper. The important thing that every single project that I want to share with you, I advise you to understand the project, and if you want to understand the project you have to read the introductions, the problem statement, you have to read technique, and for sure you have or you need to click on the white paper and watch it, because the white paper it's a more important thing in the project. So that's all. Let's move on. The group here, Euro was born out of a fascination with the magical world of the dragon, etc. So here is the account. If you wanna buy this account on Dex Scanner, the price is here. So the price is a little bit down because of the last video. So the price here is 0.50535. You can buy it, you can connect your wallet, you can choose how much that you wanna buy from the Tyroth and etc. So click buy here, you will be moved directly to the official account on Tyrth Solana, and you can check it out. I will put all the links under this video's description. So now let's move to some Twitter and Telegram here. The Twitter is here, the verified account is here. You can just want to thank everyone for the support of Tyrth. We are going to make this token shine. So this is the token here, a lot of tokens. If you wanna buy this token, I will put the links under this video's description. That's all for today. You can also be happy with this amazing account, and for sure you can follow the account from here and will be able to understand all about this project. So also the official Telegram account, you can join the channel here, click tip and click start. After that you will be happy to join the project. If you have any other question, you can just ask the admins, or you can ask here looking for the admins, and you can ask him how you want to rate this project, how you can also be happy with this amazing project. So that's all for today. I hope you like this project. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. So that's all for today. I am happy to introduce you to this amazing project for this month, for this week. See you soon and goodbye.